Right after we got the warning, Tony said over the intercom that everyone has to come to the front lobby, and that's when people started to see it form out front.
Once I heard the announcement, I straight jumped into the pool and just started getting people out.
Just a herd of people came running.
I just spent a lot of time yelling, getting people to go to where they needed to be.
My instinct was always to make sure everybody else was safe.
I was the last one to close the door, and right as I was closing the door, I felt that pressure drop, so I slammed it, started running to get underneath the sink.
Before the power went off, the pressure dropped, and Morgan was like, "Did you feel that?"
Yeah.
What I did feel was my knees almost give out because the wind just straight cut from down to half my calf.
There was pipes bursting and everything.
I was pretty flustered, but we got it done.
Hearing it when it was happening, we didn't expect the Y to be ripped apart. So, because then everyone was looking, and it was like, this isn't what it sounded like. It kind of just sounded like a lot of wind.
I was like, okay, it's over.
The ELC part, which is 4 feet away from the locker room, it was just completely demolished. It's surprising that wasn't us.
Felt like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Felt like it was forever.
Because everything around us was gone. So it definitely hit right over us. So we were really all in shock that we survived it.
The member started praying. Him and his son, he's just cradled over his son. Just started praying, and I held on to him and started praying with him. So I'm just glad all of our instincts are to help people. I'm just grateful.
Why strong?
Yeah, Y strong, for sure.